Where are you from?
Brazil.
Brazil.
Yes.
You came to Singapore first time?
No, I live in Singapore. I live in Singapore along 3 years.
Oh, almost 3 years. What's your name?
Leia.
Leia. I'm first time meeting Brazilian from Singapore.
Oh, okay. There are around 1,000 people, Brazilian people in Singapore.
1,000 people only.
1,000 Brazilians live in Singapore.
Do you have a Brazilian restaurant in Singapore?
No, I didn't.
Oh, that's bad. Oh, you miss Brazilian food?
Yes, every day. I cook it at home.
Oh, you can make.
Yes, I make myself.
Can you tell me what is your favorite food from Brazil?
It's normally in Brazil we eat every day rice, bean, salad, and beef.
You
Normal food, Brazilian food.
you mix them together.
Not mix, separate. In one plate, you put a little bit rice, bean, salad, and beef. A little bit portion.
That's nice. Do you like Sentosa?
Yes, very much. I love Sentosa.
How often you come to Sentosa?
Today?
Yeah.
We came here early, around 10 a.m. Stay here till now.
Maybe you come once a month?
Sorry. My English is not very good. Sorry.
Oh, me too.
Yes.
Sometimes once a month.
Yes.
Come with the friends and
Yes.
especially this bar you like?
Yes, I like this bar, but we go away here and stop sometimes in different
I want to go to Brazil one day.
Oh, huh?
Yeah.
I didn't understand.
I hope to go to Brazil one day.
Oh, I hope too.
Yeah. Korean people like, I'm from Korea. Korean people love Brazil soccer and samba.
Yes, every nationality likes Brazil because samba and football. Yes.
You come here for dance?
Huh?
You come here for dance?
No. I don't like this.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I forgot your name.
Leia.
Gladia. Gladia. Gladius. Oh. You're very beautiful. Where do you live? Where do you live in Singapore?
Close to Oxford.
Huh?
Close to Oxford Road.
Warsha Road. Is it near from Sentosa?
Huh?
Near from Sentosa?
No. I live in Hard Rock Cafe Street. Close to Ion.
I only been to Singapore 3 months. I don't know much about
Yeah, you need to know that place. It's very beautiful place. Go around Ocean, Ion, Paragon. It's a good place to
many job,
Huh?
many job hiring people.
Oh, I didn't understand. Sorry.
Your city, many restaurant
Ah, yes, yes.
hiring employee.
Oh, sorry. My English is not good. I didn't understand.
Many job.
Many jobs.
Yeah, for working, many working.
Ah, yes, yes, yes.
Oh.
Yes, yes.
Because I want to change my job.
Ah, okay.
My restaurant too busy.
Oh, really?
Yes.